Trading is enjoyable when you know how. Welcome to Encryptos. In a previous video you learned correction and introduction to market structure. So in this video we're going to show you what exactly we call break of structure. Okay, so you can see this move. This is an impulsive move, and on the impulsive move, that's where we identify the inducement. Okay, so where is inducement? Here is our inducement, the first valid pullback. Okay, so that is our inducement. All right, so and after that we're going to identify the correction, that is the move that comes from the top of the impulsive move and take out the inducement. Okay, so right here, so it can be a single move, it can be a move with valid pullbacks too. That is a correction move. Okay, right there. Correction. Okay, so what next? After we have the impulsive move and we have the correction, we tend to have another impulsive move that take out the high of the previous impulsive move. As you can see this now, we have another impulsive move that went higher than the first impulsive move. So that is the move we call continuation move. Right there, is an impulsive move and we call it continuation. Okay, all right, so this is breaking the market down step by step. Okay, so where is our break of structure? Right here. Break of structure happens at the top of the first impulsive move. Once we have another impulsive move, which is a continuation move, break above the first impulsive move, that is where we have our break of structure. Okay, so that's what we call BOS, or break of structure. It's as simple as that. So right there, just label it and put your break of structure right there. So remember, the correction move must break above the first impulsive move before you can call it break of structure. Okay, very important, either with the whole candle or with a wick. And when we invert the chart, looking at the downtrend, you can see the impulsive move to the downside. You can see the inducement right there on the impulsive move, the first impulsive move. Then we have a correction that took out the inducement right there. Then you can see the continuation move that broke below the first impulsive move. It must break below it. Okay, so that's a continuation move. So after we have the continuation move, that's when we can now identify the break of structure. So you can see the break of structure at that point where the continuation move broke below the first impulsive move. So looking at the real market, we want to identify break of structure. So always the first thing is to mark the valid pullbacks. Make sure there's no error while marking the valid pullbacks. So you will see the valid pullbacks. You see right here we have a correction. After the correction, we have a break of structure with a continuation move. So on top there you have our break of structure. So once you see a correction and you see another move break above the correction, above the first impulsive move, there we have our break of structure. Okay, you can watch this video again and again. Once you understand this concept, the market opens up for you and trading becomes fun. Okay, because you understand exactly what the market is doing at every point in time. You know, maybe it's making an impulsive move, or making a correction, or creating a continuation move, and once it happens, you identify your break of structure. So looking at the downtrend, the same thing, you mark the impulsive move. So remember, you can join the class on Telegram, link in the description below. Encryptos, make sure you join the right Encryptos channel. If you have any question, contact at InvestorK23 on Telegram. Ask him your question. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the impulsive move and we have some correction. So once you identify correction and the continuation move, you're going to see your break of structure. So we have a correction right here, and we have this move that broke down below the first impulsive move. So right there is our break of structure. Okay, so immediately you see a correction and you have an impulsive continuation move, there you know where the break of structure is. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. See you in the next video.